Chinese military satellite damaged by Soviet rocket is the first major orbital collision in a decade. The Independent. Intriguing science experiments launching on SpaceX's cargo resupply mission to the space station. SciTechDaily. Scientific reports. Nature.com. Scientific reports. Nature.com. Massive Thwaites Glacier threat. Significant geothermal heat beneath the ice stream. SciTechDaily. Microbial evolution continues despite living on the limit of life. Technology Networks. SpaceX set to end longest gap between Falcon launches in 2 years. Teslarati. U.S. futures slip amid caution over COVID. Fed. Markets wrap. Yahoo Finance. Astronomers spot a break in one of Milky Way galaxy's spiral arms. The Independent. Curiosity rover ventures into area full of clay, salty minerals. Begins 9th year of ops on Mars. India Today. Rare ancient baby turtle identified inside fossil egg. CBC.ca